Hey Gadget Hunters! Today we're diving headfirst into a seriously ambitious project, building a custom gaming PC using the ERYING DIY gaming motherboard and CPU combo featuring the incredible i7-13850HX processor. This 20-core, 28-thread beast is paired with DDR4 RAM, promising insane performance. We'll walk you through the entire build process, from unpacking the components to testing its raw power. Expect some surprises along the way, and be prepared for some seriously impressive benchmarks. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of this particular kit and whether it lives up to the hype. Stick around to see if this DIY build is worth the effort and if it's the ultimate gaming machine.